Hey, you. Busy day?
I dropped off application at the Cineplex on Broadway.
Stop by my dad's. Looks like he got you a job working construction.
Construction? That's awesome.
It's in Jersey, though, so you'll have to take the PATH train.
Fine, no problem. But the most I ever did, though, is like help my dad paint.
He said you don't need experience to be a laborer or something. Pays like 20 bucks an hour.
Holy shit. How's that even possible?
You believe these fucking Blue Jays? Last inning I screamed so loud, my wife thought I was having a heart attack.
Why? What happened?
Burrell got shelled. It was beautiful.
Are you a Met fan?
Padres, actually.
Padres.
I'm from California.
I gotta go make my collections.
Stick with the Angels. Pods haven't had a team in 20 years.
What are you talking about? They were in the series in '98.
Yanks in 4. I was there.
Hey, Shaggy, grab a bucket and some Lysol, scrub off my tires. There's fucking dog shit all over by the entrance.
I'm supposed to be picking up scrap.
You'll be picking up your teeth in another second.
Hey, Detrolio, you need something to do?
You're fucking lost.
Come on, guys.
Go! Before it sets in the treads. Oh, my check's come in yet?
I don't know. I didn't see the girl.
If she ain't got him, send the kid. Meadows' friend, when he's done with your car.
Who, Meadow? What are you talking about?
Meadows Soprano. That's her boyfriend.
There he is.
I can't find any Lysol.
Don't worry about it. Why didn't you tell me you were dating my niece? Here. You take her someplace nice. Make sure you tell her it's from Uncle Paul.
Thank you. That's really nice.
Hey, give me that shit. Paulie! Come here. Get the hose.